Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue.
And I'm Josh Day with Smokedout Barbecue.
And we're here today in beautiful Stockholm, Sweden to cook up a Swedish classic, Hasselback potato. So the first thing that we need to do with the potatoes is, of course, to wash them thoroughly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slice them using this Hasselback potato slicer. You can use a wooden spoon as well, but this is the easiest way to do it. It's cool to shoot this recipe in Stockholm because this recipe was actually invented about 200 yards away from where we're shooting. 1953 by Leif Eliasson at restaurant Hasselback. Then you want to place them in an aluminum pan. You want to cover them with a little bit of butter, and then you want to give them a good dusting of flaky sea salt. You also want to separate them so the slices are not stuck together. And then it's time to set the Green Mountain Grill to 425 and put them in the grill.
After about 30 minutes, drench the Hasselbacks with butter. All right, it's been another 20 minutes. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese on top of these Hasselback's potatoes. Right on top of the Parmesan cheese, we're gonna use some fresh black pepper.
And that's how you make authentic Hasselback potatoes on the Green Mountain Grill. Also check out our reverse sear tomahawk steak video for the ultimate steak and potato dish. Happy grilling!